Hi folks, Donald Trump here. As you can see, you're gonna see, we've already started work on the Gaza Côte d'Azur, as we call it. And as we found, unfortunately, there's not much sea that anyone can go on at the moment. But don't worry, we've got the next best thing. We're building a coastal, beautiful bath installation for all you Americans who want to come here and sample some of this. So why don't you come in and take a look right now in here. It's just great. As you can see, it's really comfortable. When we get the plumbing sorted out, people will be flocking here from all over the world. We've got all matcons here and luxury services, homemade tea, English tea. I'm coming over to England. By the way, I've been invited to Wimbledon. Yeah, so I'm coming. It's before I see Charles, but he'll have to wait. So why don't you just see how I in this wonderful bath. See where we've got gold taps, folks. Only the best. Still like a bit of a building site, but it won't be long. We'll do it in a day. You believe me, don't you? Anyway, folks, that's it. The world's first exotic, beautiful outdoor bathing facility in lieu of the Gaza and Côte d'Azur. So, see you later. Mar-a-Lago's very own. Bye for now.